everyone, I am Rich with Richland Architects. I want to thank you again for tuning into this video. How do you find the right architect? Let's begin. Ideally, bring an architect to the table as early as possible. Architects can help define the type of building you need and even pick the best property to suit your needs. When making a hiring decision, I found that it really comes down to three things: likability, taskability, and affordability. A good relationship and personal confidence are key qualities to a good design process. You will likely be working closely together with your design professional. Trust and honesty with the ability to say what you feel and what you expect are very important. You will likely need to ask for explanations. You will be asked to share your real construction budget. Ask for and personally meet the team you will be working with within the firm. Find out what are the most important issues on your project. Changes can be made easily and cost-effectively early in the project, as opposed to during construction. There is no substitution for mutual likability, for an open dialogue, evaluating ideas, and formulating new ones. Can the firm accomplish what you need? This is where research is key. Talk with other individuals. Investigate designers of buildings you admire. Reach out to local organizations, like the American Institute of Architects or Association of Licensed Architects. These are good first steps. Look at work examples or portfolios and ask for references. In the digital age, Angie's List, Houzz, and Pinterest may be good options. If you don't already have a good relationship established with a firm, reach out to 3 to 5 firms and invite them for an interview. Don't be afraid to look outside your local area. Design professionals are trained to always evaluate the local surroundings, building types, and codes. Many do work around the country and even the world. Verify the firm's financial stability and know if it carries professional liability insurance. What tasks or phases are important to your project, done by the architect, versus tasks required by others, consultants, or you, the owner. The bottom line: what is it all going to cost? What services or scope of work is described for the proposed fee? Are the proposed services useful to you on your project? Look into how the fee is established. Is it a fixed fee, an hourly fee, an hourly rate, or not to exceed rate? A combination of those, where some parts are hourly and other phases are fixed. Is the fee based on percentage of actual construction costs? Generally, architects can range from 3% to 20% of construction, depending on the size and location of your project, as well as what services are necessary. If you are designing a new front entry to your home, expect to be on the higher fee side. Conversely, much larger buildings, the fees can be a lower percentage of the construction budget. More importantly, what is the cost of not having proper planning? Overall, design fees are a very small percentage of construction, maintenance, or even the sales fees of any building. If this information is helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Hit the bell icon below to be notified when new videos are released. Thank you.